Hey guys, thank you for watching. For this video, I'm gonna make another slow cooked meal. Again, I'm using this book, the Easy Low Carb Slow Cooking. I'll put it down in the description below if you wanna get it. I'm gonna make the chicken and mushroom and bacon cream slow cooked chicken. Now normally what I do is I get all the ingredients and just throw them in the slow cooker. I tend to pick the recipes that are really fast to prep, but this time I have a day off, so I have a little bit of extra time. And so for this recipe, I'm gonna do the prep work. So cooking the bacon, cooking the chicken, and then throwing everything in the slow cooker. So it requires a little bit more time, but it's not so bad. So first, let me show you the ingredients, and then I'll try to talk over the process of what I'm gonna do with the ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with 8 ounces of bacon, and I'm gonna cook those. And then I'm gonna use the grease of the bacon to cook these chicken wings. Now, the recipe asks for chicken thighs, but I don't have any chicken thighs, so I'm just gonna use the chicken wings here. So I'm gonna cook those in the bacon fat, and then I'm gonna take them out and put them in the slow cooker. Then I'll add some wine. It's supposed to be about half a cup of dry wine, but I don't have that much. Plus, I don't like the taste of wine anyways. So I'm just gonna use whatever what I have left over, which doesn't seem like much, but I'm gonna use that to deglaze the pan. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna add everything that's in the pan, all the little brown pieces that I got off with the wine, into the slow cooker. Then I'm going to add the 1/4 cup of butter, 8 ounces of mushroom. It says to use 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms, but this is the only mushrooms that I had, so I'm gonna use those. Then I'm gonna add 1 whole onion, diced. Remember, onions are a little higher on the carb count, so if you're really watching your carbs, you can just use half of the onion. And then I'm gonna add 6 cloves of garlic. And then I don't have any fresh rosemary, but I've got this rosemary spray, so I'm gonna try that. I haven't used it since I got it, so I'm gonna try that, see how that goes. 1 teaspoon of salt, and then at the very end, once after the 6 hours of slow cooking, I'm gonna take the chicken and the vegetables out, and then I'm gonna add the sour cream, mix it in the sauce, and that sauce is gonna go over the chicken. Okay, so let me show you guys the process. Alright guys, so this meal was done yesterday, but I didn't have a chance to eat it, so I'm going to give you guys a taste test right now. It's been in the refrigerator and it got microwave, which is super hot. I wasn't paying attention. So I'm just going to test for you guys. Since it's slow cooked, you can see it just kind of falls apart. So it's not really going to be like a crunchy type of wings, but it's really good. So remember, it has bacon and sour cream, and it's really good. It's almost like smoky kind of flavored. I like it. I've been eating all day, so I'm not really that hungry, but it's a really good meal. Go ahead and try it, and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.